Hi guys, how you doing? This is Q coming to you from diygenesis, and in for today's tutorial we're going to be talking about the Genesis sample theme. So here's what the finished product will look like. So let's jump into the back office so we can go ahead and get our install kicked off, and then once we finish the install we're going to do a little bit more discussion of that. But as you can see right now, here's my back office, and I have the Essence Pro theme that is active right now. We are going to make the Genesis sample theme active, so we're going to go to add new and upload file, and I've already taken the liberty of downloading the Genesis sample theme, so I'm gonna hit choose file and we will hit the Genesis sample theme. So, and we hit open here and we'll hit install now. So very quickly the theme is installed, and it's really lightweight and it's a great little starter theme. So then we'll hit activate to make that our active theme. Now it gives you these wonderful starter packs here. As we know, this is the onboarding portion, which is great that Genesis and that StudioPress has added this to the Genesis framework and added this for Genesis themes. So here's where we are. So let's just choose our color. We'll use the color one. We'll hit install pack, and it's going to go ahead and install the sample theme here, doing our onboarding process, getting the plugins, now demo content. Now we can hit view homepage. So when we hit view homepage, what we see here is now the color version of the Genesis sample theme. Now we saw earlier, this is what it looks like in black and white, and here's the contrast, so that you can see that we actually installed that theme locally. It is now on our local machine and local build. Now I just wanted to do this to set it up, because in the next tutorials as we go on, we're going to be building on this Genesis sample theme. We're going to be adding some features. We're going to be building some additional features and building things out for it. So I wanted to at least start with Genesis framework, Genesis sample theme, get us up and running, and then we're going to do some additional tutorials that are going to help us get a deeper understanding of how these themes and how this framework actually works. So until next time, guys, I pray and hope that you got real great value out of this. Please make sure that you subscribe, make sure that you share, make sure that you like, and please make sure you hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every time we send out new content, every time we create new videos. We certainly want to be there to help you get on your journey as far as learning and getting better and building out what you want to build. So again, guys, thanks again. Until next time, this is Q coming to you from diygenesis.